Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings, boys from the Gambia, boys from the unique coast, the smiling coast of Africa, boys from Sukuta, traffic right at the moment. As we always said, we're born to represent the United States of Africa. We represent the red, white, blue, white, green for the Gambia today. And for Africa tomorrow, we start for work and pray that all may live in bigger unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's justice, guide, and drive our actions towards our brotherhood and our sisterhood to our African neighboring hoods. So right at the moment, there's a heavy project going on in the Gambia, the smiling coast of West Africa. The new phase of Sukuta traffic right, I will simply call it Sukuta Flyover or Sukuta Passover right. So if you're new to the platform, the mission is to change the narrative of Africa. As a shout out to African YouTubers who are working at each and every day to change the biography or the fake narrative or the bad narrative that the west side of the world are trying to narrate. So Africa is peaceful, like I simply said, and there are a lot of development going on in Africa, a lot of projects going on in Africa. So here is the heaviest project right now in the Gambia, the Smiling Coast on Hadim Batin Highway right. So shout out to my viewers all over the world, in England, Finland, Norway, Germany, Sweden. I can't forget to ball and big up Pabaji behind the cameraman, the unique cameraman across the world. And I can simply take my time to say thanks to my followers and to my viewers out there for them to taking their time, joining, hands to Lucky Lose the Gambia just to see the Gambia on the map of the world. You see? So keep watching and keep sharing our videos. We'll show you more positive side of our motherland. But we can't check that other side. But right now, this thing have to be demolished out. Yeah. And this other side have already compacted. But yeah, quickly cross. Yes. So lots of works have been done before we arrive, right? So right now you can have the access to view full time. They can simply see the demolition, and then so these are the side lane that you can simply see that they are working on, leveling and compacting, demolition, and then friction. But this is all about demolition and friction. Yeah, man. Demolition and building. Yeah, man. Demolition and build. That's a good development, It's a heavy development, So shout out to all workers right here, all consultants, and everybody working. So this is another level here. As we said, as the works is going on, more works are going on, we will try to show you an update, So today it's gonna be the OIC road project and the Sukuta traffic light. But nowadays, how will you call this place?
Flyover.
Passover. So that's the number one building materials shop right to Ekunda Enterprise. So those are the dialing numbers in case, if you are building in the Gambia. You good here? Yeah, let's see Jama boy, my fine. Yeah, you cool. Wow, yeah, my cool. Them video nyo nak all the time, every now and then. Mane them le nyo around every now and then. Wow, dafay ñaan tam loolu dafa fekk yow yaa ngi si beneen boor. Léegi li su ma nekkee beneen boor yooyu ña yaa ngi fii. Waaye yàlla ke ma ne te dañ daje. Yeah man, the Senegalese brother. So right now you see it, works are going on, they're fixing. But we can go there. You see them? But we can show them what they are fixing up there. Boy, you need them? Kabring walum boy. All good, huh? Wow, okay, I'll call can the car fix. Wow. That's right, boy. Never. Yes, man. Long time, man. Yeah. Of course. All good, huh? Yeah, man. Even you know, I'll call can them. The pursue people again, I'm not.
Yeah, leakage with them, we got it fixed over there.
Yes, man. So right now,
So they working according to, you know.
they work according to. So the guy is gonna dig to find out the way. Yeah, but it's not easy to dig out. Yeah. So tell them. But you know, it's not only this place that heavy project is going on, right?
Yeah.
On this road, there are a lot of projects that are going on. So we have got to cover
One
from here to, okay, let's say, okay, Kasumai, or after turntable, they will close. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. The heavy project that going on, right? Are you trying to zoom, yeah? Yeah, man, ngal salute back in on Gambian ol, Madin Gambian ol, Unga Fale Yamerek, Kibar Kendorek and Impu Kendorek about the OIC road, about the Gambia, about Africa, about our nation. So, Bimbali, Sukuta traffic light told, Mumung fly roundabout of the Nums, falling Kake roundabout of here, Kake fly over. So, right now, we have to do Bitaka right now. Ina doko sembe ma. So kabrin costa Sukuta jang kata fo Gambia kata bi Gambia fongola doko bita kande more and more heavily, you know. Yes, man. So as a subscribe there alia like alia share ka fala la baraka rek alkal la watota kana video jube rek kabra commencer de la fa danoto jara man so le fale no na baraka. It's all about na banko di Gambia.
Yeah, nga domo ni tandi gara nya domo ay mo do ku kanje ko nga mo jere bisir ndindi je no.
Yeah, bisir ndindi bi je no.
Yeah.
Then after so sharp na tama ni tanna ko sala mo na kira.
Yeah.
But how you feeling on top of the flyover?
Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm seeing
level,
down,
yeah.
And
straight.
I'm on the upstairs. Absolutely, they are doing a nice job, which is going to be one of the best flyover when it's
works.
Yeah, Sukuta
really going on. MashaAllah. Pak Japulo sawaji.
Unda kat lawa, hamna laf ni bisa mo daw. Wala kana ba?
Yelang iba.
Yo man.
Yes, man. So Pa, finally here is on top of the flyover right now.
So here's a connection just to this other side. Yeah, they are only fixed ones, you know.
At the sideways, yeah?
Yeah.
Last time I saw them dropping it down like the way those guys are doing it.
You know.
That was the other side. Yeah? You can put the camera on there.
Yeah.
We go close so that we can capture it. So they're doing good.
Woo. And down floors.
Pa,
Yeah.
we are on top of it, yeah? You know the first day after the day they just concrete on top of it, yeah?
Yeah.
And the following day we are here.
Yeah.
You are not on comfort to work on it.
It
Telling you, Pa, this thing is normal. It's normal work. You are like,
it was newly built, you know.
Mr. Nying.
It was
so far.
newly
So
built arrest.
can we capture that view there? And then, sorry for that. Yes. So it's all about the OIC, and this will lead you to
Jambanjeli,
Jam City, yeah?
Jambur, Jabang,
Bambur. And the one?
One Sukuta,
Sukuta.
Sirekunda, Bakote, and even Kololi of Senegambia.
So flyover Benaka every week or every 2 weeks, so you feel like there's big changes.
No, I'm not every 2 weeks. Come the day of buy, the day of buy, how much buy different because you work every Paris, you live Paris.
Wow.
Very different thing.
Different thing.
But I don't know the following week or the following the following 2 weeks. So, little bit affair like so. I guess you give something you buy, no?
We buy.
Then you will live, sir.
Then I just in Holland. Under the flyover, just nga living in for the phone.
Agro
jagi ni, living for the phone for concrete. Yeah, but let's
again. No,
so you don't just have an image.
Next step, that you sang a fair you do the bill
runabout.
Yeah.
Mwe wis na purtau.
No.
Okay. Na mungi na wa mwe wis de. Ana ne ko di filu lo ko de.
Lalanguma nak. Wa am na malal.
Wa yo lalangul la. Wow. So there's another unique one. But it's like the same flyovers.
Yeah. They're
No
building the same lane.
No different. So the 2 lane this side, 2 lane that side. Lane flajana. Nyari lane fee. Wow. So then I just 2 different fee, eh? My Borbini.
La nga fele ñu connect fele nga connect nañ ko ba paré sax
Wow.
Wa fi nga connect fi nga connect amuñ ko
Mu ngi jesi.
Waaw fi nga connect nga gis lo fofu dañ backfield bi almost ci kaw ni nga wax nga wacha
Waaw moto bi ni la mo wacce ko di dem so ñew soy exi da nga exi comme lañ ko backfield ni rek compact level yep gis nga so non lañ ko dé def nanga di ko backfield compact level tuti be mu ñew understand
yeah.
Wow. So yini mom lañ leen tegango.
Wa yi leen tegam amna
Yeah.
Comme suñ presse benen set bi mom bor wala ñoo
Fi doxé kay la comme mala ko ñoo wonal. Woma fi fu ma nekk ni de. Digante bi ni bi.
Waaw.
Fi doxé kay la.
It's a good exercise place. Mu nga fa dem nga make sa exercise ega wacha.
Waaw.
Something
Comme
good.
fele Sukuta traffic light bi fele ni ñu fa lay use pour
Waaw, trainer kay da nga egg.
non duñ fa lay use pour dox ñena nga kena nga lay gis. Once in a while la lay gis ni di cross.
Man suma déggé board la ko jara ma fit bi ko sa nga luyo. Fi la suma trainer kay dama egg di wacha bi ko mu nga meg yoon bo xamante moto du may obstruct xam nga. So dama jog according to nicely, you know.
Yes man, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Oh.
Yes man. Boy. Guys, sanji keme why?
Thickness mo na wala thick. Wow.
Thick degger, cement bi saf mut.
Wali efo thick de la ko cha.
Okay.
But looking sa nga xamne is very strong.
Strong.
Le wala ñu ne it will serve 100 years ni.
Yeah, loolu lañu wax before 150 years, deme ko 100 years bala ñuy dool di ko di ko nakal tudadi sa renovate waat comme place yu am problème di ko fixaat.
Yeah.
Loolu at yu bari la
Loolu sun sitaati ya ko fekke.
Ana bëgg loo fekkee next 100 years.
Yo xam na next 100 years suma ko fekke naka la
tegu si at bu nga am nii
100 years suma ko amee la ko jël ñaan naa ko tam ma siyaabu asuma yi set
bal nga seedoo ko sa set
waaw ma siyaabu asuma yi doom xam nga yes
Green Gambia naka, how are you feeling when you are on top of the flyover?
You see
the beauty of the Gambia, the green nature and everything green, cars moving around up and down. Gambia is really developing, definitely, through by watching on the screen. See,
moving peacefully,
moving peacefully, see no police with gun, see no gangster, no bad movement, love Gambia, you know, the smiling coast, you know, the lovely coast, you know. I love to all of the YouTubers, you know, who sell out good news about the Gambia and Africa, you know. Yeah, man. So definitely red, white, blue, white, green, yeah, Papaji.
Yeah, man.
For the Gambia being in Africa tomorrow, you know. Yeah, man.
For so, man, brother.
Tell them say if you subscribe, you know, alias like alias
yeah. For the powerful
you know, the best platform to like in the Gambia. You're best out of the rest.
Subscribe and share to the four corners of the world, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Dunia tongkol nano mume, you know.
One love,
Norway,
one
Germany,
heart.
England, Finland, Netherlands, you know, all over Africa, you
one
know.
family.
Yeah, I can see a lot of love from Nigeria, you know, Ghana.
One love.
Yeah, man, Ghana, one love, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, Kenya, same way. One love, one family, you know.
Yeah, one blood.
Guinea-Bissau, Conakry, one love, one family,
Africa.
you know. Casamance, Senegal, my people,
one
you know.
love.
One love, man. I can feel the love from a distance.
One
globally
family,
in
sir.
Africa, Malawi, my people, you know. Burkina Faso, Tanzania, you know. And I love you all, you know.
Well for Africa.
Yeah, man. And, you know, we're saying love from the Gambia to each and every country that you are watching us from, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. We appreciate the views. We appreciate the subscribes.
And the
you know,
encouragement,
we
you know.
appreciate the time that you spend to just to make sure that Africa is in a higher level, you know. Yeah, man. Lucky
And
child, the eye of the Gambia.
Those encouraging, keep encouraging, and
yeah,
not frustrated,
yeah, man.
you know what I mean?
And every comment teaches, both positive and negative.
Yeah.
Teach us, and it leads us to the right path, you know, of our motherland, you know.
From the wrong path.
Yeah, man. So shout out to all warriors, Gam warriors.
Bless one love,
shout out to all
family.
Gambian artists who are working hard to put that positive image of the Gambia
Shout
to
out
the
to
map.
everyone.
Shout out to everyone, you know.
Yeah,
Esti
man.
Konyadi Papaji. No tribalism, one love, one heart.
Bakeling.
Bakeling, Esti. Bakeling, Yeah, man.